Maybe hiccup. Are we over? Nope. You got them still. Babe. Knock it off.
You guys doing okay?
Yeah.
Let's see wandering around. Just call me as soon as you
Okay.
can. My name is Sandy.